In this tutorial, we'll show you 3 easy ways to make a photo collage for a birthday. We'll create a template-based collage, a grid collage, and an automatic number collage. We'll be using Photo Collage Maker. First, let's create a collage using a birthday collage template. Run the software and choose Create New Project. Hit Collage Templates. Here you will see a template gallery divided into categories. Pick an option you like and click Next. Adjust page settings and hit Complete. Now let's customize the collage. First, add your pictures. Then double-click on the captions to change the text. And finally, add an embellishment. Switch to the Text and Clip Art tab and select Clip Art. Choose the suitable category and pick the image. Drag and drop the clip art to the collage and resize it if needed. That's it! Now let's see how to make an automatic grid collage. To make a grid birthday photo collage, click Create New Project. Choose Auto Collage and select Grid Collage. Pick a layout that you like. Adjust page settings and click Next. Now you can tweak the collage layout, change the number of cells, make margins broader or narrower, set the photo spacing. Click Next to add your pictures. The software will show you the recommended number of photos for this collage layout. Add them one by one or drop a whole folder at once. As an option, you can shuffle your pictures, add a border or a shadow to them. Click Complete. Let's add a text to the center of our happy birthday collage. First, select the central picture and delete it. Then switch to the Text and Clip Art tab and choose a shape. Drag it to the collage and resize it. Right-click on the shape and choose Settings. Select a new color. Now switch to the Text tab, type in your caption, and hit Add Text. Place your caption where you need it to be. Click Settings to adjust the text style. Choose a new color, remove the outline, pick a new font, set the size and spacing. Save your collage when finished. And finally, we'll show you how to make a happy birthday photo collage in the form of a number. When creating a new project, choose Auto Collage and select Text Collage. Adjust page settings and click Next. Now type in the number. Choose the font you like, set the size and position. Add your pictures and hit Next. Adjust the size of the pictures and click the Preview button to see the result. Now choose the background color. Hit Complete to process your image. Let's personalize this collage with captions. Switch to the Text and Clip Art tab, type in your caption, and hit Add Text. Place your caption where you need it to be. Click Settings to change the text style. Choose a new font, set the size, select a color. If you're satisfied with the result, save your collage or print it out right away. Now you know 3 ways to make birthday cards with Photo Collage Maker. Download this Happy Birthday Collage Maker and surprise your loved ones with unique greetings.